everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Lottie Ann, and if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming by and checking out my channel. In this message, I'm going to talk about some anger issues that we all face. But first of all, I want to talk to all my returning subscribers. Thank you all for supporting my channel and coming back and leaving your likes and your comments. I appreciate all of you guys supporting me and my channel. Now, anger issues. Let's talk about anger issues. Okay, we all get angry. We get angry since the moment we breathe when we are born. Baby gets angry. A little girl, see down below, you see that picture? She gets angry. It could be anybody. Anyone that's human gets angry, but we need to learn how to control our anger. Okay, so I'm going to give you some techniques. One technique is to do slow breathing. Okay, do a deep cleansing breath while you're angry and count slowly in and out. And you know you're going to have that intense impulse where it's so hard to control, but you're going to have to learn how to slow down your breathing, because that's going to actually help you to allow the anger to subside, and then it can go away. Another thing that you can do when you're angry, okay, is your muscles are tense and you need to relax your muscles. So a good thing to do is to take yourself for a walk, move yourself, and do something creative. Maybe go to the park, maybe drive yourself to the beach, or, you know, sidetrack your mind. Do things to calm you down. Maybe listen to some music, maybe have a hobby that you love to do. These are ways that will relax your muscles. That way you won't be so tense, and then your anger is going to subside. It'll go away. Now, another way that's good to do is to actually write down your anger. Get a piece of paper with a pen and write down why you're so angry. I'm angry, da 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 da. I'm angry because of this, da 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 da. And then on the other half side of the paper, just write down, I don't have to, you know, start writing a solution to avoid being angry, and you're gonna actually, it's gonna help you, calm you, and then you're gonna start thinking right, because when you're so angry, you can't think right. You don't have good judgment when you're angry. Your mind is racing. You can't think, because if you're mad, actually you will say the wrong things that can cause harm to you and to someone else, especially if you're arguing with someone else. Now, I want to tell you that anger is very destructive. It's very unreasonable, and it cannot slow down. So that's why I give you these techniques to help you to slow down your anger. You can be angry, but slow it down. Okay, don't damage yourself. Okay, being angry can be harmful. You can make, you know, at the very moment, you can punch a wall. You can just say every bad word, or you can say everything wrong about a person and you don't really mean it. So it's best not to say anything when you're angry. Anger actually makes you ill. Yes. Being angry can make you sick more often. Studies have shown actually it weakens the immune system, and it also has been proven by the National Medical Association that people who respond to negative anger, actually 9% have a heart attack. So that's why you might feel like you want to scream, your body tense, you feel like you're going to explode. Overall, it just affects your health physically, and that's why a lot of people have high blood pressure, because they can't handle the stress. They're angry with themselves. So another proven way to actually see anger is unforgiveness. If you haven't forgiven yourself, and when you haven't forgiven others, can actually prolong your anger. So prolonging your anger of not forgiving someone, you need to get therapy. You need to get some help, because these are deep issues. Because anger, the more you give into anger, it will damage you. It can make you not have good judgment in your life. You actually will destroy your life, because being so angry will destroy you. It can actually lead you to drugs and alcohol. It can make you hate yourself. So overall, you know, get the help you need, okay? Because and if it's a short-term anger, rationalize your mind. Are you going to be mad tomorrow? Are you going to be mad the next day? Are you going to be mad in a week? Or are you going to be still angry in another month or so? Or a year? Of course not, because those were short anger moments, okay? Like someone cut you across the road and you got angry for just like 5 minutes, you know. Or if you saved something in the refrigerator and you wanted to eat it later, but someone ate your whatever, your cake, your favorite food, and you got mad for that very moment. But just know anger doesn't last very long. But when you have these impulses, do these techniques, control your breathing, relax your muscles, take yourself for a walk, write it down on a piece of paper, write down the solution, how you can avoid being angry, and then just rationalize your mind and know that anger is not going to last forever. But I do suggest that if your anger lasts longer than a month or two, or if you have a hard time forgiving yourself or have unforgiveness to someone else, then you need to get some help and get some therapy done. So get the help you need if that is for you. All right, thank you for stopping by to my YouTube channel. It's a little bit different, but see all these pictures I have in front of you. At any age, from birth up to adult, you can be angry, and no matter what, you're gonna just face anger issues all the time. So I hope I help you deal with that when you're during your times of being angry, and I'll check back with me later. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, but first watch my videos first, and watch all my suggested videos too. So I will talk to you soon, and check back later with me. Bye for now. Hope this all helps you all. Bye.